Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Kim Joshua Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. Workflow User Groups. This is the third part of the series on how to create and use workflows in Business Central. In this part, we will explain the workflow user groups. In the Tell Me search bar, type Workflow User Groups and choose the related link. In the Action bar, select New. Specify the code of the workflow group and add a description. Insert the user's ID in the username column. In the Sequence column, assign the user's hierarchy in the approval process. Now you can create a document and file it for approval first before being posted.